राजस्थान और हरियाणा में गर्मी से नए रिकॉर्ड्स बन रहे हैं। दिल्ली में हालत इतनी बुरी हो चुकी है कि यहां सामान्य से 9 डिग्री ज्यादा तापमान दर्ज किया गया है।
Delhi hitting 52.3 degrees Celsius. This is the worst April heat wave in Asian history.
Delhi's Mungeshpur has recorded highest temperature this season.
Hi everybody, can you remember the summer of 2022? Take a look on the article. The hottest summer ever. It broke the record of past 122 years history. Then come 2023 summer. Scientists said that it is the hottest summer in last 2000 years in the northern hemisphere. And this year January, the hottest January, and February, the hottest February, hottest March ever. Not only in India, Vietnam, Singapore, Indonesia also facing the record-breaking heat waves. In the past week of May, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand has experienced the forest fire due to heat waves. Now in North India, temperature has seen crossing 50 degrees centigrade. What do you think? What is the cause behind this type of severe heat waves? The climate change. Is this the only cause for this? No. There are two other main causes. Let's understand the other two causes and its solution in the next couple of minutes. First of all, we have to know that this type of weather event is not happening in Asia only. This type of climate change is happening all over the world. Look at the news in South Africa.
83 people are dead after days of heavy rain in southern Brazil and more than 100 are missing.
1.5 lakh people has displaced due to flood. Zimbabwe is facing a severe drought.
The region is experiencing a severe drought with many families unable to cater for their daily needs like food.
I just spoke with some of the elders from the community, and the last time they can remember this type of drought is 1947.
The situation is as dangerous that Southern Africa are seeking $5.5 billion aid to survive only. Behind all these type of weather disruption, there is a solid cause named El Nino.
The El Nino oscillation. You may have thinking how an weather phenomena created in Pacific Ocean can impact Indian rainfall. But it is true. El Nino oscillation has a great impact on Indian monsoon. In fact, according to IMD, in last 123 year, India has faced 22 times El Nino, in which Indian monsoon 16 times become considerably weak. It causes severe drought in India. So it is obvious question that what is El Nino or La Nina and what is has impact on Indian weather. The process. El Nino and La Nina are two Latin words. El Nino means the little boy and La Nina means the little girl. And these two are the part of same cycle named El Nino oscillation or ENSO. Evolution of El Nino and La Nina. To understand these two terms, first of all, we have to understand Pacific Ocean's oceano weather condition. In normal condition, treadmill flows from Peru coast to western Pacific Ocean, by which hot water stream flows towards Australia and Asia. So low pressure is created there. Due to this pressure, Peru coast face low temperature and high pressure, and flow of wind from Peru causes deep upwelling that causes micronutrient from the deep level to come towards the surface. This upwelling of nutrient is Peru's rich fisheries a biggest factor, and in Australia and Asia region due to low pressure force a good rainfall, and this low pressure region strengthen Indian monsoon causes rainfall in Indian subcontinent. It was the scenario of normal condition, but in El Nino event this reverse totally. In El Nino case, Peru coast wind become weaker. For what the hot water stream doesn't go east to west, it goes west to east. In El Nino event, warm water deposit on the coast of Peru and low pressure created instead of high pressure. And upwelling of water starts significantly. By this, the fishery sector has to face $1 million loss. It weakened monsoon rain by which in Southeast Asia and Indian subcontinent face considerably lesser rain. As per IMD data in India 1902, 05, 51, 65, 72, 82, 87, 2002, 2004, 2015 El Nino caused 20% lesser rainfall in India and about Western Pacific region due to reverse trade wind here created high pressure. For it, rainfall pattern affected badly. It is noteworthy that El Nino is not a regular cycle. It often comes in 2 to 7 years cycle. Scientists has not find out yet about El Nino oscillation and its relation with monsoon total.
Now, what can we do? Before going to the solution, we have to know a little about urban heat island effect. In a city, some places are more hotter and some are cooler. You must have noticed that the place with more trees are slightly cooler than the other. A simple reason behind this: the city, the region with no tree, the concrete jungle and road that absorb the heat and heated up the region again. To avoid this type of event, we have to plant more trees in our society. We have to promote public transport and design our building for efficient ventilation. We have to color our roof with white color because a simple reason behind this: white color reflects sunlight that makes a slightly cooler our building. Instead of AC, we can use the radiant cooling process. In this method, pipes should go through the wall, roofs, and flow of cold water in this pipe make the room cooler. It is a cost-efficient method. And obviously, our government should make more greenery society. We have to implement it as soon as possible because according to scientists, the coming years are going to be more hotter for the human being as well as the other creature in the world. Finally, thank you all.